Hello everyone, my name is Mike. In this tutorial today, we're going to be talking about how you can upgrade your version of Ubuntu, Linux Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS, which is a long-term support version, Jammy Jellyfish. We're going to be upgrading this to 23.04 Lunar Lobster. So let's get to the coding. All right. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to open up a terminal window. And we're going to SSH into this machine right here. This is the machine we're going to be upgrading 22.04.3 to 23.04. Password. All right. Okay, so this is the machine. First, let's check what version of Ubuntu this machine is running already. So we're going to type in sudo lsb underscore release dash a, or the verb a, enter password. Okay, so as you can see, this computer here is running Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS Jammy. So in order to upgrade this to 23.04 Lunar Lobster, we are going to simply type in the terminal sudo do dash release dash, actually no, first let's check the packages, repository packages, and update if necessary. Sudo, we can do this by typing sudo apt update, enter. Give it a second here. Okay, if you wanted to check for updates and upgrade at the same time, you could do that by typing sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. And reading the package list, and as you can see, there are no upgrades available at this time. Now, in order for you to do this release upgrade, you have to make sure that all packages and updates are installed on your 22.04.3 LTS release, or else the upgrade is not going to work. So now let's run the terminal command to do the actual upgrade. So we're going to do that by typing sudo do release upgrade. Checking for a new. Oh, okay. So we're going to have to change a line in this file in order to make this update. So let's copy this path, type sudo nano, paste this in, enter, and right here we're going to change this to normal. Control O to write out, Control X. Let's try doing sudo do release upgrade again. As you can see, this took us now to the upgrade screen, and we can install Ubuntu 2304 Lunar Lobster. So to continue, let's say yes. It's going to go through a whole lot of checks here. You want to continue. Okay, this is because we're currently doing this upgrade through SSH, and we're not actually doing it on the machine itself, so that's why it gave us that warning there. That's fine. If you're doing it on the machine, you wouldn't have got that warning. So let's see what's happening here. Now it's updating repositories, getting the upgrades, packages. I want you guys to know that this is my first video, and plan on making many more videos like this, tutorial videos, anything to do with computers and technology. So please like and subscribe to my channel, as this is my first video and I'm trying to at least gain some momentum to keep doing these. So thank you if you have already liked and subscribed to my channel. I'm just waiting right now for the upgrade to get all the updates and packages it needs to actually perform the update. There we go. Calculating the changes. Okay, so it's asking here, do you want to start the upgrade? 11 packages are going to be removed. 235 new packages are going to be installed. 1,304 packages are going to be upgraded. 1.5 gigabytes. This upgrade can take several hours depending on your computer and your internet connection. Do you want to continue? We will press Y for yes and enter. I will pause this video at this moment, and I will resume it as soon as this part of the update is finished. This could take some time, so as soon as it asks me for a next question, I will unpause the video again. Alright guys, so that part of the installation has finally finished. Now it's asking us, would we like to remove the obsolete packages? So 186 packages are going to be removed, and we are going to hit the Y key to say yes. And let's see what it's doing now. So I think it's removing all the old versions from the 2204.3 release, as we're not going to need them anymore. I will pause my video here and come back, and this is finished. System upgrade is complete. restart required. To finish the upgrade, a restart is required. If you select yes, the system will be restarted. So yes, we're gonna hit Y, and that's it. So this computer here is the computer we installed. We upgraded to 2304 Lunar Lobster. So it's rebooting now. We're gonna have to wait a few minutes until it gets back on. So yeah, so that is the process for upgrading a machine running Linux Ubuntu 22.04.3 LTS and upgrading it to 23.04. I hope you found this video informative, and hope to see you in the next video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. See you later.